Having analyzed the results of its activities for the past year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we plan to produce a new product, herbal medicine in plastic bags. To investigate the popularity of the product, we plan to produce a pilot batch. For 20 years our company has been producing medicines, and is part of a large production association in the Sverdlovsk region. It was planned to start manufacturing the new product in a plastic bag in 5 months, in order to conduct an advertising campaign as soon as possible. I, as a leading production preparation technologist, was instructed to find equipment that would ensure the filling of medication into plastic bags. Filling, dosage filling liquids in a variety of plastic and glass containers. It is used for bottling hot decoctions of herbs. The equipment for filling liquids in plastic bags is used for the production of medicines in plastic bags. The machine forms sachets from a roll of plastic. Plastic packaging provides the best preservation of drugs. An important condition was to ensure the productivity for pilot batches of about 400 pouches per hour. It was planned to use 150 by 100 mm plastic bags with a dosage volume of 200 milliliters for the production of the new drug. As a technologist, I understand that at all stages of production, it is important to comply with the requirements for the drug, the level of humidity, hardness and viscosity parameters of the cream. I took the choice of a machine for filling plastic bags very seriously. I started the difficult task with the most popular way, search in the internet. On the recommendation of my colleagues, the first thing I did was to look for European manufacturers. By myself I chose 2 companies, one in Italy and one in the Netherlands. After sending a request to their email, after 3 days I received a reply from the Italian company, which said that they could not supply equipment for filling into plastic bags due to the suspension of its production. The company from the Netherlands wrote in the email that they do not work with CIS countries. The first step turned out to be not very successful for me. I understood that there is no hopeless situation, so I continued looking for a solution. I found a similar machine from 3 Chinese manufacturers. I contacted them by telephone. Managers of my chosen companies did not answer me. Would their machine be able to fill plastic bags? What size bag would be suitable for dosing in this machine? When can I get a ready machine? To all of these questions I heard the phrase, "We'll do it all." One company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. In the end I came to the conclusion that I would not be able to choose the equipment for dosing into plastic bags on my own, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give me complete information about the machine, its features, tell me about the terms of delivery. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, since Chinese manufacturers often have their own direct representatives. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, and decided to ask for help from Russian intermediaries. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. Having sent all my requests via email, I still have not received a response from 2 of them. One company from Samara warned me that they do not have their own adjuster, and that all the equipment installation work must be done by myself. This option did not suit me. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the characteristics of the fluid, the required capacity of the equipment, what types of dosage are necessary. After a preliminary telephone consultation, the specialist suggested a machine for filling liquids into plastic bags, with different types of dosing from 50 to 210 milliliters. I coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we signed a contract for the supply of a machine for filling liquids into plastic bags. During the entire manufacturing period, I received an email report on the readiness of my order. The machine was delivered within the time specified in the contract. Within 2 weeks of receiving the equipment, we were able to install it, set it up, and train an employee. Experience has shown that the decision to seek professional help was the right one. It is better to devote time to your classes and your main occupation than to try to solve an uncharacteristic task on your own, lest you completely fail the task.